YouTube family. I asked you all over on Instagram and Facebook if you thought I should whitewash my brick wall in my family room, and everyone but 2 people said yes. So I think we're going to go ahead and do that today. My husband's going to help me, so I hope you come along as we do this and watch. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this type of content. And I hope you'll hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. And I hope you like this. So stay tuned, come along with us. And I'm going to probably do it in a time lapse so it doesn't take as long. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you've done whitewash and how it turned out. And if you like it, do you regret it, and that type of thing. So thanks for coming along with us. Okay, I took everything off the walls except what I can reach and moved the TV cabinet. I'm waiting on my husband to help me. We're using the Valspar masonry, stucco, and brick paint in white. And it's got primer and paint. There's a fly flying around in here. We ended up using 3 parts water to 1 part paint. And I just used this popcorn container and I filled it up twice and then with water, and then I'm going to do once with paint. I'm going to let my husband do this so I don't spill it everywhere. I've got 2 rags that we're going to use to dab it here in a little bit, and 2 brushes. And the way you're going to do is you're going to start at the top because this paint is really watered down. We're going to start at the top and probably do this section here to the bottom, then do this section here under the window, and then this section here where the TV is. And then I'll flip the camera around and show you this back wall as we do it. It's really not that much, so I hope that we just have to do 1 coat. It may absorb too much and we'll have to put multiple coats, but we have a gallon of paint, so I think we'll be okay. And I'm going to also be doing an update renovation makeover on my fireplace in here. It's a gas fireplace. It's just a little small corner one that we use for this. This used to be a carport and it was turned into a family room. Like I told you on my get to know me video, this was my husband's childhood home. We moved here 25 years ago, and we have done a lot to the house, but this is one of the rooms that we've not done a whole lot to, even though we use it a lot. Maybe that's one of the reasons why we haven't. But I'll be painting that and updating that a little bit. And so stay tuned and look forward to that video as well in the future. But yeah, so this is the supplies we're going to need. I've already got the drop cloth down. So I'll meet you back here in just a minute. My husband will come in and help me get this TV stand moved, and we'll get started. Okay? I hope you like this. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube family, Instagram, Facebook people. We just got done doing this one wall. I'm not crazy about it. What do you all think? Do you think it needs... I think it needs more coverage. What do you all think? I think I definitely want it more white than what it is. And we've got to still do this back wall back here, which we're getting ready to do. But yeah, I think we're going to go ahead and put this one coat on, let it dry, see what we think. Let me know in the comments what you all think about it. And if you like this content, go subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Bye. This is the reveal of my brick that we whitewashed. I actually like it now that I've got to look at it for a while. I done a fireplace makeover, so I'll be sharing that soon. So once I done that, I really liked it. We only done a 3-to-1 ratio, 3 parts water to 1 part paint. It still has some of the redness to it, but this was a really red brick. And it just lightened it up. I do think that I may later on lighten it even more. That's my little office area back there. But I like it. Let me know in the comments below what you all think about it. It wasn't much work. It was time consuming to make sure we got it in all the grout lines and everything. But we were real pleased with it.